If you invested $10,000 on Rivian stocks in November 2021, your assets would have reduced to $1,500. Will Rivian's stock continue to fall? Or is it a great chance to invest in the next Tesla? In today's video, we are going to look at 7 reasons to buy Rivian stocks. Number 1. Rivian makes compelling products. Instead of making sedans and hatchbacks, Rivian strategically focused on developing an electric pickup truck and SUV. This was a smart move, as Rivian can avoid competing against Tesla, who has first-mover advantage. Rivian calls them the electric adventure vehicles, and they did a great job developing them. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder, but many would agree that Rivian trucks look smarter, compared to traditional trucks. Rivian trucks can go from 0 to 60 in 3 seconds, which is faster than most supercars like Ferraris and Lamborghinis. This is possible as each wheel on Rivian is controlled by a single motor delivering 147 kilowatts. Rivian's electric powertrain can produce up to 835 horsepower, which makes the pickup truck more powerful than most hypercars. The unique propulsion technology of Rivian is also beneficial to the truck's off-road capabilities. Thanks to the instant torque, off-roading a Rivian is much easier than its traditional counterparts. With the fully charged battery, you can drive up to 400 miles or 643 kilometers. Rivian also won numerous safety awards as their vehicles were designed around safety of the occupants. After the launch, automotive experts and customers have been appraising Rivian trucks and SUVs for their designs, build quality, and performance. With the base price of $73,000, a Rivian is not exactly cheap. But it is a great option for customers looking for high-end electric off-roaders. Number 2. Electric vehicle market is growing. With the increasing awareness of the need to reduce carbon emissions, governments around the world are introducing policies to encourage the adoption of electric vehicles, such as tax incentives, subsidies, and regulations that restrict the use of gasoline and diesel cars. Technological advancements and economies of scale are driving down the cost of batteries, making electric vehicles more competitive against traditional cars. Battery range and charging times are also improving, which makes electric vehicles more practical for everyday use. Additionally, electric vehicles are known for their smooth and quiet ride, low maintenance and fuel costs over the life of the vehicle. Bloomberg estimates that electric vehicles will account for 10% of global passenger vehicle sales by 2025, and this figure is expected to rise to 28% by 2030 and 58% by 2040. With the global electric vehicle market expected to grow significantly, there is a huge potential for Rivian to capture a share of this market and grow their business. Number 3. Amazon as an investor and a customer. In 2019, Amazon invested $2 billion in Rivian and currently owns 17.3% of the company. Amazon also developed their electric delivery vans with Rivian and made 100,000 orders. The vans are currently being produced at Rivian factory in Normal, Illinois. The feedback of the electric van from the delivery workers is positive, as it made their work a lot more efficient and safe. By the year 2030, there will be 100,000 Amazon electric vans driving on the roads. Think of these electric vans as big advertisement boards for Rivian. As more people see these vans, the awareness of Rivian will continue to grow. As a new car company with no reputation, having Amazon as a partner was an invaluable asset to Rivian's IPO. Rivian went public in November 2021. The company raised $11.9 billion through the IPO, which was one of the largest IPOs of the year and the biggest IPO of an automotive company ever. On the day of IPO, Rivian's market valuation was $86 billion, which made Rivian more valuable than a century-old Ford Motor Company. Number 4. Rivian has strong cash reserves. Thanks to the successful IPO, Rivian has plenty of cash to operate. As of today, Rivian has $13 billion in their book, which will carry the company to 2025. Rivian also has strong pre-order demand with over 114,000 reservations. Rivian produced 25,000 cars in 2022 and expects to produce 150,000 cars in 2024. Increasing numbers of sales and deliveries will continue to support Rivian to be profitable. Number 5. Rivian is vertically integrated. Rivian has its own factory in Illinois for building the pickup trucks, SUVs, and Amazon's electric delivery vans. Rivian is also building a second factory in Georgia. This factory is meant to produce smaller, more affordable cars. Although it costs a lot of money to build factories, having their own manufacturing facilities is beneficial in the long run, as they have the direct control over the manufacturing speed and cost. Unlike traditional car companies, Rivian does not have any dealerships. Instead, customers can personalize their cars on Rivian's website and make orders. This is great for Rivian customers as they don't need to haggle the price with dealers. Rivian also benefits from direct sales to consumers as they don't have to pay the middleman. Number 6. Great branding. Rivian built a great brand in a relatively short period of time. As they strategically focus on building outdoor lifestyle vehicles, they position themselves as a brand that values sustainability and environmental consciousness. For example, the key of a Rivian looks like a carabiner. For the customers who enjoy water sports, Rivian also provides waterproof wristbands as a key. When you lock or unlock the vehicle, instead of annoying beeps, Rivian makes bird sounds. This is the actual sound of a mountain bluebird recorded at Yellowstone National Park. Rivian also has a $5,000 kitchen option for their trucks. While you are camping, you can cook your meals in this kitchen that has an induction cooktop. You can also wash your dishes on the fully operational sink. Rivian designers observed how people use their cars outdoors to build practical vehicles. That's why the truck bed has electric outlets to run power tools, a flashlight stored inside the door, and a removable Bluetooth speaker to enjoy music while you are camping. Rivian designers also noticed that people are concerned about securing their mountain bikes and snowboards. So, they designed a security system called a gear guard. As you wrap your gears and plug the wire into the hole, when you lock the car, your gear is also locked. The cameras around the car are also recording if the car detects any movement nearby. To be kind to the environment, Rivian uses recycled plastics and vegan leather to build the interior of their vehicles. These are the reasons why some people call Rivian to be the Patagonia of electric cars. Rivian is a great contender for customers who previously enjoyed Jeeps and Land Rovers. The customers who already received their Rivian are passionate about the brand. These customers can positively influence their friends and family to buy Rivian. Number 7. Opportunities to grow. Currently, Rivian is busy fulfilling their existing orders in the US market. But there is potential for the company to expand globally and tap into the growing demand for electric vehicles in other regions like Europe and China. Besides, Rivian is also developing smaller, less expensive versions of their vehicles, making their cars available for a wider audience. This strategy worked successfully for Tesla as the Model 3 and Model Y increased the number of Tesla sales dramatically. These were the 7 fundamental reasons why I think Rivian is a great long-term investment. If you have other reasons to invest or not invest in Rivian, please share them in the comment section below. This video is meant to help you understand Rivian's fundamental strengths and save your time researching. My next video will focus on the reasons why you should not invest in Rivian so you also understand the potential risks of the company. Please note that the responsibility of your investment decisions are entirely up to you. If there are other stocks you'd like us to analyze, please let us know in the comment section below.